In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change chart intervals quickly in TradingView. Understanding how to switch between different time intervals on your charts can be incredibly helpful in improving your trading efficiency and overall experience. Whether you're analyzing short-term trends with minute-by-minute changes or looking at long-term patterns, mastering these quick changes will give you an edge. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to TradingView's website. Once there, you'll be welcomed by a wide array of trading tools and resources. TradingView is a fantastic platform offering these tools for traders across the globe, and is particularly known for its flexible charting features. Now that you're on the TradingView homepage, look for the search icon. It might seem like a simple thing, but this step is crucial for accessing the specific charts you want to analyze. Click on the search bar and type in any stocks or financial instruments you're interested in viewing. This will lead you to the detailed analytical content that TradingView is renowned for. With your desired instrument in view, the next step is to click on Launch Chart. This is where the magic happens. TradingView charts are interactive and full of options that allow you to customize your trading experience. Launching the chart brings up a whole dashboard of analytic tools, indicators, and customizable charting features. Once your chart is open, you'll see a time interval by default, typically marked with something like D for daily intervals. If you're looking to change this, it's quite simple. Just hover over and click on the D. Here, you'll find options for several other time frames ranging from seconds to days. The interface is user-friendly, and directly clicking on these options will change the chart to your desired time interval. Let's say you're craving a more reactive, short-term view. You can opt for seconds on the menu. This is perfect for traders who want to monitor trades closely as price action unfolds in real time. Alternatively, for those following moving averages or the least volatile markets, minutes offers a neat compromise, providing a broader time frame with just a bit less noise. For longer-term analysis, consider clicking hours or days. These intervals are excellent for spotting overarching trends, which can be beneficial when planning trades that align with market sentiment. Finally, if you're interested in watching very specific trading periods, click on Ranges. TradingView immediately shifts the chart to match your selected range, giving you instant results. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to changing chart intervals quickly on TradingView. By mastering these steps, you'll be able to navigate the platform more efficiently and tailor your analysis to suit your trading style. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading!